AIG, the Academically Intellectually Gifted Program, what it's like at Fuquay Varina Middle School. If you're watching this, you likely have a rising sixth grader, and we're so excited to welcome you to our school. And I just want you to know a little bit about what will happen for them. First, I would introduce myself. My name is Mrs. Green, and I've been at Fuquay Varina Middle School for 5 years now. Here's some general information about me. You may recognize me because I'm also the AIG teacher at Fuquay Elementary School. I work part-time at both schools. This town, I live here, and I love our students, and I really love that I get to know some of them for so many years. So that's definitely an advantage of my job. Some questions that you may have in the AIG program. Do you need to contact me and tell me that you're AIG? Nope, you sure don't. If the child is already identified with County Schools student, and that information is uploaded and sent to me, and I have a roster that contains all the needed information, let me know. However, if you are coming from the County School process, then we'll have to receive gifted documentation from the previous school district, and once we have that, I can go ahead and start the process of having your child identified in our school district. Sometimes you may have that documentation and you can get it to me later than the school district can, and in those cases, please feel free to email it to me so we can get your child identified and started with AIG services right away. If your child is not identified yet, ability, you can send me an email with their name and their homeroom, and their grade level was helpful too, and a list of nominations. Anytime we review our nominations in the semester to determine who needs to be tested, and we make that decision based on data and if you nominate your child, then you may send me an email and we can start that process. These are some ways that students are served at our school. I apologize for the there. I'm here as a support for your child. I just watch my students' grades, their data, and if I see that they are in need of additional support, then I can provide that to them very closely with guidance counselors, and we make sure that our students are doing well and we can support them. I also attend professional learning team meetings with our math and language arts teachers to help them plan activities and see how to best support our gifted learners. And then I offer some direct services. They are usually offered during my time and sometimes during core classes. It just depends on grade level. You will receive a differentiated education plan for your child that explains what their services look like at the beginning of the school year, and it gives you a better idea. There are 164 students for AIG Unified right now, and there is one of me, the AIG teacher, and I am only a part-time AIG teacher. 50% of the time I'm at our school, half the week. So, you can expect some differences in the way that your child receives services in elementary school versus the way they receive services in middle school. Elementary school AIG teachers far less serve. I know that. Please be aware that things will look a little bit different. This is how things are working right now. And I'm sorry for the jumbled text there. But in 6th grade and 7th grade, currently, I see my students 2 times a month for an enrichment session. During the core class, or it can happen during pride time. It just depends on what the teachers do with their schedules. But 1 or 2 times a month, I see my students and we do an enrichment activity. In 8th grade, I work the language arts teachers, and I go into their classes to support students' learning. Students may see me once a week, once every other week, just depends again on what's happening in class. As for grade math students, since most of them are taking NC Math 1, which is a high school level course, I don't see them as often because they are very busy. But I do work with their teachers to offer support. I'm available to those 8th grade students who need additional tutoring, or if they're just struggling, I am available to schedule one-on-one time with them to help them through the things that they need some help with. So these are different pictures of some of our classes, just to give you an idea of what to expect. I'm so looking forward to having your child's face in this group. We have wonderful students in our school, and I love working with them and seeing how their brains work to do amazing things. So thank you for taking the time to watch. If you have any specific questions at this address right here, and I am happy to try to answer anything that you're wondering about. Welcome to our school, and I look forward to meeting your child soon.